channel. In this video we are going to be creating a simple React Native streaming app. I have just created the boilerplate for React Native by using npm React Native init live stream. So now in this live streaming app we're going to be using the Zego engine, and we do that by going to the Zego to the website here and then creating an account. After creating an account and confirming your email and phone number, then you'll be able to create a project here. You can click on create your own project. You can choose from video call, live stream, live audio and all that. So here we're going to be choosing the live stream, and then we'll go to next. And then in the next, we'll use the UI kit. You can either choose a Zego UI kit, so we choose React Native, and we'll say start. Okay, we'll name our project. Let's name it live, and then choose React Native and then start. So it's generating the UI kit, for our project. It may take some time to complete, and then we can continue. So now it is done, and then we can start building our app. So here we have iOS, Android and all that, but we are interested in React Native. So we'll click on React Native and it brings us to this screen, and here we can see other options, but this is a free version of it, so there are minimal functionalities, and this is how the streaming app is going to look when you are done. And then so we're gonna click save to start integrate, and then here we have the app sign and app sign ID. Of course these are secrets, but we're gonna copy it just for this tutorial. After that I'm gonna delete it. So need to save this to files. You can put it readme here for now, and then this one as well. Then you can click on the quick start, which will bring us to this place, and here these are some of the things we're gonna add. I'm gonna click on these and open our terminal. With this, I'm using Yarn already, and also we need to install these as well. We'll copy this, come back to this place and install it when this one is done installing. It's taking some time there, so while we are waiting for that to install, so let's keep going through it. And then after these installations, the next thing we need to do is this is how the home screen is supposed to look like. And then what's it called again, the Android manifest. We need to add all these permissions to Android manifest, and we can be doing that while this is loading. So we go to Android, and then we go to app, go to services, and then manifest, and order these permissions. I don't know if you have internet there already, but so okay, we have internet already. So that is it. We add these permissions to Android, and then we come back here, get this, and then install it already. Now, after that, we need to create our screens, and this should be this should be the content of the home screen. So we can go to displays, and then add a folder called screens. Then inside this folder you can add your home screen. Then we can add this in here. Okay. And then we can add this to the ProGuardRules.pro file. ProGuardRules.pro. It's under Android. ProGuardRules.pro. So we can add that in. What else? For iOS, we need to add these to the info.pl list. So we go to the iOS app, then live stream, then info.pl list. Add it as a key. Add it here. So here like this, and also now we can run we can run our app. First of all, we go to the iOS folder, and then we will say this install to install all these packages here. We equally need to add okay, so here also we need to add a host screen, we also need to add an audience screen. So we have these screens. So we also need to add a navigation. So here we create another folder named navigation. Inside this navigation we create new file. We can call it main navigation. I can just call it navigation. Pages. Here we'll put import stack. So guys, here we're going to import create stack navigator, and then we will import navigation container. We will also import the home screen, import the host screen, and then the audience screen. And then we will say const stack equal to create stack navigator. And then here we will place it. We say stack return stack dot navigator, and then within this stack dot navigator we say stack dot screen, and then this stack screen. Within this stack screen we will create options. We say header shown, false, and then here we will say header mode report component name will report to home screen, then the name will report to home screen as well, or we can call it home. Now we will create similar for the other two screens. So this one will be audience, and this one will be host. So like this. The next thing we need to do is to go back here. We'll click here for the sample code. Here the sample code, you can go to live streaming, and then here we will go to the home page and take the contents of this home page and edit it. Home page, come back here, and then we'll paste it here, change this to home screen. And then don't need this, and this will be screen instead. And then coming back here, you can check the host screen. Here is the host screen. We already have a host screen already, so we can take the audience and the audience screen. We can just copy it from here. So here is the audience screen. audience screen. So we need to remove some things from here. Remove these as well. So remove this, so we don't need it, and also this. So that's it for the audience screen. And for the home screen, we have this. We basically have a navigation, use navigation, and then the navigation, and then we are passing the user ID, the username, the live ID, through the navigation. This is where they are declared. This live ID and user ID is randomly generated for this app, but in a real app, your user ID will be coming from things like Firebase or any database you're using. And this is just a test input where you can put in the number of the live ID of the stream you want to watch, and this is the start button or watch button. So you can either be streaming or you're watching. So the same similar thing here as well. The live ID and the ID is a pass. So now we need to create a key. We need to create another file, another folder. I call it keys. In a real app, you will use your .m file for this. So inside these keys, we put key center .js. I will say this key center, I think something similar here. Key center.js, and then we will copy this for time's sake, and we will put our keys. Remember the key we copied initially. So here is our key, and in a real app, make sure that you put these keys in .m file so that it cannot be reviewed to unscrupulous elements. And this one will be the app ID. So what we will do is to make sure we import these things correctly. So the host screen, need these keys. So import app ID, import key center, and then it will be key center.app ID and key center .app sign. So we use this over here as well in the audience screen. Okay, it's here already. So let's import this key center already. So that is it basically. And then what else do we need to do? Our navigation, everything is okay, and let's run our app. Just say nps React Native run Android. I'm gonna be running the Android. So our app has been installed, but unfortunately we are missing something significant there. We did not import our app into app.tss or .js. First of all, I'm going to change this to app.js, and then I'm going to remove all these. So inside app.js, I'm going to import the stack container, the navigation, and also what else am I gonna let me check here, be sure. We need to import this as well. So here we need to import this. What is it called? And also components. So we import these things. We also import the navigation container. So now let's try and see if it's been corrected. Navigation, we don't need to. Let's start navigation, we don't need you as well. So let's run our app. Let's refresh our app and see. What has happened. Looking at it in the physical device here. So I'm gonna refresh. Style sheet does not exist. That is where. And we don't even need style sheet here. Okay, let's try again. Reference none does not exist. Oh, I think we're making a mistake there. Let's check again. App navigation. Header mode none. Okay. I think that we're making that mistake. That should be this still actually. Should be puts. So let me see. And let's try again. Okay, so it's not working properly. What we'll do now is run it in the iOS devices and see what it gives us. So I'm gonna spawn on 2 more iOS devices. And also spawn on another one. It's gonna take the tools on this computer, but let me just try and see if it works. So now the iOS devices are coming up. the iOS devices are coming up, and what I'm gonna do is to run MPS. Should have this on iOS. So the idea here is I will be streaming on the physical device while the iOS device will join the stream. So you can't see the physical device, but you can be able to see the stream when it runs on the iOS. So let's be patient and wait for the iOS device to run. It's taking some time because this is consuming a lot of memory in the computer, so that is why it's this slow. So try and be patient and let's see when it finally installs. It's coming up. It's building. So this is what happens when the iOS builds in React Native. It's taking these parameters here, is code build, which is workspace, and it's taking this live screen dot s workspace, and then configuration debug scheme is live stream, and destination is this is the ID of this I believe this particular one here, this emulator. So let's see, it's gonna take some time to build. So now the app has built successfully. So let's see if it comes up on our emulators. In the Android physical device, which is the one broadcasting, while we are watching on these three iOS devices. So that is it. You can see the charts. So here you can click here. Sorry about the echo. It's the streams and the different devices that is causing it. So here you can say thank you for watching. You can see the older ones. So it's working perfectly, and you can see here that there are 4 people, which is the person streaming and these 3 other devices. Thank you for watching.